Hello everyone, this is Omar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing how to find TikTok Shop on PC. So without further ado, let's just dive right into the process. But before that, make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So I have a couple of steps in here that you can follow to easily get your TikTok Shop link. First, open your TikTok app, then open the shop menu, and then choose one of the available products. Then click the share icon at the top, and then click copy link. Once you do that, you will get your TikTok shop link and it will be available for you. So that is the pretty simple process on how you can do that. And yeah, so I hope you learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and as well head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel.